So now Shakuntala is very upset and she has seen Gautami's face that she lost her ring. Now Gautami is replying, Nonam te shakraavatarabhyamtare shachitirtha salilam vandamanayaha prabrashtam anguliyakam. Prabrashtam means slipping away. Okay? Shakraavatarabhyamtare, there's a place. Shakravatara is a place. There is a tirtha, there is a water body called Shati Tirtha, Shachi Tirtha Salila. In that water body, Vandamana. See, when you are doing this Vandana, Namaskara, that moment your Anguliyakam, your ring must have fallen over there. Then King Sasmitam, he is getting smile. Idam tat pratyutpannamati strainam iti yaduchyate. This is what called pratyutpannamati. Smiling, and he is saying, this is what called ready is the wit of womankind. Ready is the wit of womankind, he is saying. Okay. So then Shakuntala, Atra travad vidhina darshitam prabhutvam aparam te kathayishyami. And see, vidhi, my fate, it is all about my fate. It has shown completely this vidhi, this fate only is having its command. Aparam te kathayishyam. The other one, I will tell you what it is. Then Raja, Shrotavyam idanim samvrittam. Yes, I want to hear again. Yes, I want to hear whatever you tell. Yes, please, go ahead. He is saying. Shakuntala, Nanu ekasmin divase navamalika mandape nalini patra bhajana gatam udakam tava haste sannihitam asit. You know what happened one day when we were in the jasmine bower? We were there in where jasmine flower is growing. In that place we were there. You had in your hand water in a vase of lotus leaves. You are having some water in the lotus leaves. Then Raja, king is replying, Shunumastavat. Yes, let us listen. What happened next? In that way. Okay, fine. Now the major points or major words from this part. Abhyamtare means in that place, near to that. Salilam, water. Prabhrashtam, slipping away. Sasmitam, having a smile on the face. Pratyutpannamati means replying immediately cooking up some story and telling without someone else gets suspected that he is telling a story. That's what Pratyutpannamati. Prabhutva is command. Navamalika Mandapa means jasmine flower area where they will grow jasmine flowers much. That place. Then what happened? Shakuntala is explaining continuously. Tatkshane same putra kritakaha dirghapangaha nama mragapotakaha upasthitaha. So when you are having that, having water in your hand, I mean in a lotus leaf, that time one small baby deer has come there, and Dirghapanga, its name was Dirghapanga. He was like a son for me. Putra kritaka, he was like a son for me. Okay, mragapotakaha, baby or baby deer, upasthita, it has come. Tvaya ayam tavat prathamam pibatu itu anukampina apachanditaha udakena na punaha te aparichayad hastabhyasham upagataha paschat tasminneva maya grihite salile anena kritaha pranayaha tada tvam itham prahasitaha asi sarvaha sagandheshu vishwasiti Dvauapi atra aranyakau iti. What you had told on that day? That moment when you were having water in your hands, then Dirghapanga, named Dirghapanga, adopted son kind of, he is a kind of son for me, adopted son, came up, and you felt pity towards it and said, let him drink first. You felt sympathy for the baby and you said, let him drink first. Then so you tried to give water to him, but what happened? He is not being familiar with you, right? That baby is not being familiar with you. So that baby did not come close to your hands. He hasn't come at all to your hands. He hasn't come. See, na punaha te aparichayat. How aparichayat? Because non-familiar. That's the reason. Hastabhyasham upagataha. He hasn't come to you, close to your hand. Paschat, after that, tasminneva maya grihite. When I took that water and he came near to me and he started drinking it and he has started playing in that water. Salilena kritaha pranaya, started playing in that water. Tada, that moment, tvam, you said me this, itham prahasitaha, you laughed at us, at both of us, me and that deer, baby deer. What you said, moreover, sarvaha sagandheshu vishvasiti, everyone trusts one's own kindred, sagandheshu vishvasiti. If the both, see, I like something and you also like something, then the both are liking the same thing. So we both trust each other. That is how it is. So dvauvapi atra arannikau, and moreover both of your similarity, you know what? You are also from the forest and that baby also from the forest. That common thing is there between both of you. That's the reason that they come to you only, not to me. That's what you have explained. This is told by Shakuntala. Then king is saying, Evamadibihi atma karya nirvartaninam amrutamaya vang madhubihi akrishyante vishayinaha. You know what? King is replying, only lustful man vishayinaha. Only lustful men can be attracted. Lustful men can be attracted, akrishyante, by these kind of smooth words, honeyed words, okay? But these words completely full of falsehood, of women seeking to encompass their own ends. These kind of people, they will encompass their own ends. So I don't trust all these things. That's what king is saying. Now Gautami, Mahabhaga, narhasi evam mantrayitum. You are not supposed to say like this. Mantrayitum, telling. Na arhasi, you are not supposed to tell like this. Tapovana samvardhitaha anabhijnaha ayam janaha kaitavasya. So she doesn't know any bad thing, okay? Because she had grown up in the forest, but she is very innocent girl, and she is brought up in a hermitage, so she cannot cheat anyone. So you have to trust her, you have to believe her. Then king, tapasavruddhe. Tapasavruddhe means, oh, old lady, old tapasi, like that he is telling her. So major points or main word from this part is mrgapotakaha, baby deer. Upasthitaha, it has come, something is coming near. Upachandita, coming near. Ashu, immediately. Paschat, after that. Akrishyante, attracted. Arhasi, eligible. So actually here we have used na arhasi, it's not eligible. Anabhijnaha, innocent. Then kaitavaha is like from the beginning. These are the main words from this part. Then next, he is saying, king is saying, tapasavruddhe. What he said? The shloka again, you see the shloka. Strinam, what is saying, Strinam ashikshita patutvam amanushishu sandrishyate yaha pratibodhavatyaha tasu kimuta parabhrataha svam apatyajatam antarikshagamanaat prak anyaihi dvijaihi poshayanti khalu. That's what he says. This womankind is seen to exist even in females other than human. What then in the case of those that possess power of understanding or knowledge? The female cuckoos indeed cause their offspring to be reared by other birds before they can fly into the sky. You know what they're saying? What is saying? Apatyajatam parabhrataha svam apatyajatam antarikshagamanaat prak anyaihi dvijaihi poshayanti khalu. Cuckoos means, cuckoos, they cheat other birds and they keep their eggs in other birds' nest, and other birds unknowingly they will take care of all the eggs together. So once these cuckoos, small birds, they will be able to fly in the sky, then only everyone can understand they are not other birds, they are not other birds, but they are cuckoos. That is how it is. In that way, you people, womankind is seen like that. So womankind is seen to exist even in females other than human. That's what king is saying. Then Shakuntala, Sarosham, she gets angry now. Sarosham, Anarya, till now she was saying Arya. Now after listening to this thing, she said Anarya. Okay, Atmanaha Hridayanumanena Pashyasi. Atmanaha Hridaya Anumanena Pashyasi. What she is saying, you know, this is nice sentence. Atmanaha Hridaya Anumanena Pashyasi. This is, you judge after the manner of your own heart. Kaha idanim anyaha dharma kanchuka praveshinaha tranachanna kupopamasya tava anukritim pratipatsiyate. What is saying now? What is saying? Who else among men will act as you, putting on the, you know, garb of virtue and resembling a well covered over the grass? That's what she is saying. Raja Bhadre Prathitam Dushyantasya Charitam. See, Prathitam, it's explained. Dushyantasya Charitra, Charitam. Dushyanta's history or his charita is explained everywhere. Everyone knows. Tatha api idam na lakshye, but also na lakshaye. But also, I don't take this is very, you know, just normal thing. I don't take it so easily. But I will go deep into it. I'll check what is the truth. Then I will come to a decision. Then Shakuntala, Sushtu, Tavad atra swachandacharini krita asmi, ya aham asya purvamsha pratyayena mukhamadhoho hridayasthita vishayasya hastamupagata iti patantena mukham avritya rodati. So she will take after telling this dialogue, she is going to act like she is taking a cover, and she is taking a cloth and covering her face, and she is crying. What dialogue she says? Sushtu, say, okay, fine, indeed, have I been made to appear a wanton woman who, through faith in his ancestry, okay, that's what meaning the line of Purus. So fell into the hands of one who has honey on his tongue, but poison in his heart. What she says, you know, mukha madhoho hridayasthita vishasya hastamupagata. I never thought from a Puru Vamsha, from a Puru dynasty, there will be a king, one who is having honey in his mouth and he is having poison full of his heart. I never expected a king can be like that. She says this dialogue and she starts crying. Then Shangarava, Itham Atmakritam Pratihatam cha apalam dahati. What is saying, Shangarava? Thus, so what will happen? Atmakritam. See, no one else has committed some problem in your life. It's Swayam Kritam. You yourself has done this mistake. Okay? It's not going to burn someone else. You have done a mistake, it's going to burn you only, not someone else. That's what Shangarava is explaining. The main points to be noted from this is Sarosham, with anger. Prathitam, explained. Sushtu, good. So next, he is telling a shloka over there. We'll see the shloka's meaning first. Ataha sangatam visheshat rahaha parikshya kartavyam ajnata hridayeshu sauhridam evam vairi bhavati. Yes, that's the thing, you know what? Even if we know someone so properly, we need to examine them. We need to test them. Rahaha, what are they? Who are they? Truly, who are they? We need to check them before going to make any friendship with them. That's our duty. Ajnata hridayeshu. If we don't know someone, then if we make friendship with some people who are unknown to us, it's equal to become a friend with our enemy. So we have to think before making someone as our friends. That's what Shangarava is saying. Then king. What king says? Ai bhoho kim atra bhavati pratyayadevam asman sainyuta doshaksharaihi kshinuta. King is saying. What is saying? Why? Wait. Oh man, or oh tapasvin. Oh, why are you doing like this? Merely relying on this lady, wound us with words, implying a number of accusations. Simply you are making me as excused, accused, okay, accused. So number of accusations. But then what is to be gained by deceiving this woman? What is to be gained? Like that king is saying. Now Shangrama, sa suyam, with asuya, shrutam bhavadbihi adharottaram. Okay, yes, I heard whatever you are saying now. Now king, boho satyavadin abhyupagatam tavad asmabhihi evam kim punaha imam atisandhaya labhyate. Fine, okay. Boho satyavadin abhyupagatam tavad asmabhihi evam. Yes, I understood what I am saying. Kim punaha imam atisandhaya labhyase. That's what. What do you what you are going to get? What is to be gained by deceiving this woman? So what are you going to get by supporting this woman? Then Shargarava, Vinipataha. Damnation, is saying damnation, Vinipataha. Raja, Vinipataha Pauravaihi Prarthyate iti nashraddheyam. No, it cannot be believed that the Pauravas seek their downfall. Yeah, damnation means downfall. So, downfall. No, you should not think that Puru Vamsha people, Puru dynasty people, they don't seek any downfall. So, they don't do all these bad things. Then Sharadvata, Shangarava Kimuttarena Anushtitaha Guroho Sandeshaha Pratinivartamahe Vayam. Yeah, Kimuttarena. Why we have to give the answers? We are not the people to give answers. What we had to do, we have done it. Anushtitaha Guroho Sandeshaha. We have sent, we have given the message of Guru. Pratinivartamahe Vayam. We are going back, that's all. Pratinivartamahe. We are going back. And they are telling the king. Again the shloka. What they are saying, the king. Tatesha bhavataha kanta enam tyajava grihanava hi dareshu prabhuta sarvato mukhi upapanna. You know what? See, we know she is your wife. Bhavataha kanta. She is your wife. Okay? So, enam tyajava grihanava. You can receive her. Okay? Or you can leave her also. That is up to you. But dareshu prabhuta sarvato mukhi upapanna. Always, you know what? Authority over a wife is admitted to be absolute. So, you are the person to decide. That's what they say. Then, next what will happen? Gautami Gaccha Agrata. After saying this, they will move further. They will start moving. Gautami Gaccha Agrataha iti prasthitaha. Shakuntala. Katham anena kitavena vipralabdha asmi yoyamapi mam parityajatha. See, what is this? See, she is a baby here. Katham anena kitavena vipralabdha asmi yoyamapi mam parityajata. See, first of all, I am not able to bear what this king is saying. Again, you are also going to, you people are also going to leave me.